Hi, welcome to this video on how to activate SSL in Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger account by visiting hostinger.com. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. From your dashboard, click on the Website tab in the main menu. This will display all the websites you're hosting. Now, choose the website you want to activate SSL for and click Manage next to it. In the control panel, find the security section. Under this section, click on SSL to access the SSL management options. Now you'll see an option to activate a free SSL certificate for your website. Hostinger provides a free SSL certificate for every domain hosted. To enable it, simply click on the Set Up button next to your domain. Hostinger will begin the installation process, which usually takes just a few minutes. See a status bar indicating the progress of this SSL setup. Once complete, the status will change to active. After SSL is activated, you want to verify it's working. Open a new tab in your browser and visit your website. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar, which indicates that SSL is active and your site is secure. In my case, the SSL is already activated, so I don't need to do anything. So that's how to activate SSL in Hostinger. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.